Hello everyone, today is the start of the Lunar New Year. I wish you all good fortune and happiness. I did not know that. Right now on Quest it's 2:41 PM on Wednesday, January 29th, 2025. Now for today's announcements, a cafe called The Roost opened in the museum. Has everyone heard about it yet? The owner Brewster may be a bird of few words, but his coffee is so good it can say it all for him. Lathers, our museum curator, has informed me that, like the museum, the cafe will be open 24 hours a day. Now I can't wait to duck in for a quick coffee break, and I bet a lot of you can't wait either. And of course we'll be holding a special ceremony to celebrate the happy news. If you're interested in participating and have the time, please check in with Tom Nook at Resident Services. That's all for today. Have a fun day out there. Honestly, I will. It's been a while, so it's good to be back. But yeah, hello everyone, welcome back to another video playing Animal Crossing New Horizons. My throat's killing today. I didn't want to do anything. Oh wait, I got an S. Hang on a minute. I did. Yeah, I did. Okay. Well, that's awesome. Alright. Do I have any more black roses? No, I don't. Well, that's disappointing. Oh, well, that was a lost item, and I never gave it. So, bronze? I got fucking S and you give me bronze. What the fuck, game? So mean. I'm gonna dig this up. Alright, look, I dug up a fossil. I did. I don't know how long it's been since I've played, but it's been a while. I didn't really have much of a plan today. I kind of just wanted to do all the stuff that I haven't been doing recently. I mean, all these flowers have grown, so that's good. I'm glad that that's happened. These cannot be here. You need to go. But yeah, the place it's looking nice. I know I need to go visit what's his name, Leaf, at some point. Hello, Jeremiah. It's the Lunar New Year. Are you partying it up or down? There's no wrong direction to party. Is that like Chinese New Year? I'm not Chinese, so I don't celebrate it. Oh wait, hang on. I didn't check something, or I didn't properly pay attention to something. Have the peach trees grown? They have. They have all grown. Okay, good. So I'm gonna get you. But yeah, I think I might have said this at the start, but the reason I've not been recording, I've just been really not well. I don't know if you can tell by my voice, but I've just got like a really bad sore throat, and the voice crack is unbelievable. But yeah, I've had a really bad sore throat, so that's why I've not been recording, because my throat's just been killing. Alright, planted them, that's good. Right. I now need to go over here. I know my crops have grown as well. I need to go get them. But I'm going to see what's here. Look, I dug up a fossil. Awesome, dude. There's another one. Well, I'm gonna get that. Come here, fossil. Alright. Look, I dug up a fossil. I did. Right. Right. Let's use this ladder and let's go down. Hoping I have some hybrids. No. Oh wait, actually no. I need that, so I'm okay with that. Right. I think what I'll do is I'm going to empty... Okay, I'm going to get these oranges. I'm going to get some oranges first. I'm going to empty this area here, and then I'm going to empty the area on the left, because I want these purple roses. Not roses. Pansies. I want them. So I need to eat 3 oranges. Yay! Alright, so you can come with me. You can as well. Actually, no. I'll just do one for now. I'll just do one. Alright. Okay. So let me put you here, because that has special genes that I need. So when I get all the red ones, it'll then give me purple ones. I know it makes absolutely no sense, but that is just how it works. Alright. Let me water you soon. And then I'm gonna water these ones up here as well. Not up here, on the right here. Where are all my villagers as well? They're all gone. Can't find them. Right. So let's go this way. See if there's anything that I can find, any fucking villagers, because they're all gone. I don't know where they are, but they're all just gone. Oh! Blue pansy. Well, I'm gonna leave you for now. But you can go in like the little section and, oh, they're all here. Right. Okay, let's know what today is. It's Lunar New Year, we got a new moon today. Is that not how it works? I don't know. Today's Lunar New Year, so I'm gonna eat twice as many snacks as usual, you fat bastards. Right, oh yeah, so you are all done. Which is what I like to see. Well, fuck it up. Today's Lunar New Year, Happy New Year to our moon. I don't think it is Chinese New Year. Or is it? I don't know, I could be wrong. I could just be talking utter shit. My brain ain't braining properly today. Fucking hell. Right, I want to fly. Where did you want to go? I want to visit Harv's Island. So I think it's potatoes and wheat that I need, and then I have everything that I need. You copy? Yeah. Okay, have a good flight, friend. And when you need to travel, think what would dodos do? They'd probably fly. That's what they'd do. I don't think they get on a plane. They don't need to. They can fly. Right. Give a quack to wing back. I will. How much has been donated to you? Oh, my good friend. For a legitimate art dealer. Oh, right. Not a lot. Maybe another time. Alright. Okay. Camellia. Oh yeah, you have new shit. I'm here to shop. Okay, I need you. Oh, you're just cosmos and lilies. Isn't that literally what you were selling last week? A seed potato. How many would you like? I'll take 5. That's just how many I'm in need of. Anything else I can do for you? Yeah. I need more. I'll take that. And then I need even more than that. Anything else I can do for you? Yeah. Alright, I'll take another 5. Yeah. Alright, I'll take another 5. And another 5. So I need 30. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Right, and this is the last one. I do wish I could just buy like a certain amount. I don't need to just keep fucking pressing the same thing over and over. So it's getting annoying. Right. How many fossils do I have on me actually? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I need 3 more. Spend bells to buy items. Yes. 10 flowers. Really? I just fucking watered my flowers, game. What do you mean? I swear this game hates me sometimes. You require assistance. I'm ready to go home. Yes. Let's pack snacks and make trucks. Hell yeah. That is a good fucking stretch. Oh yeah. Right. Now I leave. I'm gonna leave that blue pansy there, because I don't need it, and I'm gonna pick you up. You are not welcome on this island. You must leave. I've also got an idea of something I'm gonna do, for like the front of the, resident services building. What was I doing here? This isn't where I need to go. I need to go to the farm. Yeah. I completely forgot, because that's where my potatoes are going. I don't already have potatoes, do I? No, I don't. So it's literally just wheat that I need now. That's all I need. Right. Right. So these should grow in like 3 days, I think. I don't know how long it takes for them to grow. I think it is only 3 days. But this is like when they've just been planted though. Right. Yeah, so that's only when they've been planted. But yeah, like I said, thinking of like put in like, so I'm gonna get one of these fountains or another one, and I'm gonna put them both like here. If you've seen JV GS Jeff, then you'll know what I'm on about. But the only concern is the farm. I don't think there's room, which is slightly annoying, but I'm sure I'll live. I'm not gonna go into Nook's Cranny just yet, although actually no, I might do, because I need flowers. I don't have any. Or I don't have any new ones. I'm not going to get any till next week. Hello, Mabel. Right. I'm not a big fan of that outfit there. Either fitting room, go right ahead. It's fucking boiling right now, and it's the 29th of January. Still in January, it's boiling. Yeah, I might need that. Right. Oh, Magic Academy Hut. No, I'm good. I'm gonna get these as well. Right. Yes, I would like to wear what I picked out. Right, it's your storage. Alright, I didn't think I had room. I guess I do. I didn't think I did. But sometimes you just never know. So I'm gonna go visit Nook's Cranny. I'm gonna go in here. And then hopefully you have orange windflowers, at least. That's what I need. Welcome to Nook's Cranny. Thank you. Crispy, what's in the cabinet today? I am. Orange windflower, okay. I'll take you. Okay, I guess I'm just buying 4. Alright. Alright, there we go. I can't get you yet, and I'm not going to bother with it. Thank you, thank you. You're very welcome, Timmy and Tommy. Right, I'm going to go plant these orange windflowers as well. Because you don't get yellow ones, which I think yellow ones would actually look really cool. But the game is mean. And like the only green flower are the green mums, and they look fucking awful. I am against getting them. I do not like them. Right. So yeah, I've got 7. I need 10. I need to go donate them to the museum. Oh my god, my throat. Should I have started recording today? Probably not, but I'm willing to suffer for the content. Right. Yeah, there's nothing here. It'd be nice if I could get another hybrid up here, to be fair, that would be nice. You're not orange, you're yellow. Well, oh, okay, they're right here. Awesome. Saved me a lot of time. So I think today, I'm probably just gonna make money, and I'm probably just gonna try and upgrade my house today. So I have more room for storage. I know I need to do this bridge as well, but I haven't done that yet. And I can't afford it. So let's go visit the museum. Hopefully, I'm hoping that I get something good. Because I have 10 fossils. Thanks to your efforts, our cafe is open for business at long last. Could I possibly thank you enough for bringing Brewster to us? But I shall at the very least try. Then of my beaks, the furthest tip of my tail feathers, thank you, Jake. Now, many of you like to know where the cafe is. Up the stairs and to the left, you can't miss it. Just like a museum, the cafe is open and Brewster is eager to serve at any time, day or night. So whether it's for exhibits or for a perfect cup of coffee, please enjoy your visit to our museum. Might there be something which I can assist you? Yes! Assess my fossils, Blathers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, there you go. Another one I see, let's take a closer look. I do hope you'll consider donating what you found. The culture of open of quest is a worthy endeavour indeed. Alright, I will do. Well, I hope you made those. Yes. Quite a lot to donate. Several things. Let's take a look. Splendid, we'll gladly take these off your hands. Right, hope you've anything else? I'm fine. I kind of want to... I'm actually going to go visit Brewster. Fossil assessment. I've assessed 100 fossils. Now I need to do 300. Right. Let's see what Brewster is selling today. Well, probably coffee. Oh! Hello, Don. The coffee just tastes sweeter on a beautiful day like this, don't you think? Yeah, for those of you who didn't know, so back in the day, you could, like, you couldn't save sometimes. Like, the game wouldn't auto-save, so his brother Resetti, he would come and, like, have a go at you when you loaded the game up again. And this is his brother. Resetti is actually in the game. Where is it? Yeah, so Rescue Services. If you ring Rescue Services, Resetti's actually the one that answers the phone. Thanks for passing that message on back to that on that remote island. If you ever find yourself in need of a cup of coffee, just swing on by. Yeah. I'll take some coffee. I like that he actually pours it in. A New Leaf, he didn't do it. Or in previous games, it would just appear. 1 cup of the house special. Drink up and enjoy. Hot, hot, hot. It's almost burned my tongue, but that's how I like it. Scorching. Well, that's good. Thank you very much. You are welcome, Brewster. Right. So I got some shit to do. I gotta make some money. I've then gotta order a fountain. I also want to check how, like, what the rating is for the island before I do anything. And the voice crack, honestly, the voice cracks I'm getting today, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's something to do with my throat or something. But it's constant. Right. Hopefully. Is there anything good in here? Blue Blossom, Well, and Sapling. No. Welcome to Nook Store. Oh yeah, I'm only getting 50, but that's fair enough. I don't have yeast, so I'll place the order for that. A lucky pouch. Rossetti model. A beam tossing kit. Yeah. I guess I'll buy one of those. And then obviously there's this, and I don't need to buy them just yet. Alright, redeem Nook Miles. Still not the fence that I want. I don't know why. Right, where's the Park Fountain? Yeah, so I want this. Redeem 400 miles for a park. Actually, no. No, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I can't because there's no room. I don't think there's room, so I'm not gonna do it. Isabel. Hello, Isabel. Good afternoon. How can I help you today? Let's talk Island Evils. 3-star, okay. From the feedback that I gather, it's like been 3-star for like 2 weeks, hasn't it? Look forward to my Sunday visits. When Gram's knees get better, it'd be swell to bring her with me. Well, there you have it. According to the recent feedback, the general sentiment is that this island lacks appealing scenery. Decorate the entire island, head to toe or stream to sea. The town is not small, which means it'll take plenty of furniture and such to dress it up to the nines. But I hear you can use Nook shopping to buy something you bought before, no matter how... Okay, yeah. Well, it's pretty much just the same advice. Keep decorating, and I will. I'm getting there. I just need to place more furniture, really. I think that's the main thing. And more flowers. Right. I've got so much shit in my inventory. Okay, so I can't plant that. Never fucking mind. Right. So I'm gonna go sell all this shit. Or, well, first what I will do. Right. So I bought them. So hopefully I can get some black roses out of them. Hopefully. Because I need them. Right. I'm gonna put this bronze plaque. Right. And then everything's going in storage. I've I've got that KK song that I need to put in storage too. Not in storage. Here. There we go. And then everything here can be sold. How much space do I have? Oh no, now's not the time. They always come in at the worst fucking moments. Literally the worst moments. Right. Overlooking a wooden wardrobe. Yeah, thanks. A wooden wardrobe, should I change? Yes. And then that's it really. Right. I've always hated long goodbyes. So okay, see you later then. I swear she's the one that always comes round to my house. Literally always. And doesn't fuck off. She shows up at the worst moments possible. I don't know why. She just thinks it's necessary. When it's fucking not. Horde reward. 2,000 miles? Hang on. Oh, it's just... okay. I wondered why I had what the Horde reward one was, but turns out it was just for fucking the amount of furniture I've got in my house, which is a ridiculous amount. What do you need today? I want to sell. What exactly are you offering? I'm gonna sell that. Literally everything here needs to go. 32,000, alright. I'll take it. I will take it. I will take all your money. So now it is time to get all the fruit, which I will see you all in a momento. Bangle, what do you want? I'm kind of, thinking about something hard. No, don't go. Not right now, anyway. You don't want me to go? I can't decide. I really don't want to do anything. Alright, scratch the plan. No more move. This island is my home. So glad I told you. Yeah. I don't want you to leave just yet. Well, I didn't get all the fruit, but I've got all my crops. I think I might just leave the coconuts, or if I don't have enough, then I'll go get them. But yeah. So I'm hoping this is enough to pay off my debt. Hopefully. But we'll have to see. Timmy, Tommy, I have things for you. I'm coming in. I have food for you so you can eat this week. That's like a month's worth of food now that I think about it. Like, they ain't gonna starve anytime soon. What do you need to say? I want to sell. Alright. Hopefully this is enough. Look at the fine things you brought in today. Allow me just a moment to run the numbers. 100,000. Alright. That's pretty good. That is really good. I'm probably going to leave the coconuts because I do think I have enough. And I don't see a point in going and getting them. Right. I've got so many miles today. So many. Right. To resident services. I forgot what it was called then. I'm gonna go upgrade my house. It should give me a back room actually. But it should also increase my storage. Right. EBD. Alright, deposit. 120,000. Yeah, that's enough. Alright. and then pay from my savings. Right. Get in, I fucking did it. Right. No. I've given you money. Well, hello there, Jake. Congratulations, you're the proud owner of a luxuriously sized, paid-in-full home. Can't imagine the feeling of satisfaction you must have. Truly, what could be better? But you could have another room that might technically be considered better. Oh, don't mind me. I simply can't help myself. But do come see me if I've piqued your interest. Okay. Hello. How can I help you? About my home. Let's talk about your home. What should we discuss? I want to expand. Yeah, I think adding a new room would be nice. If we add it on the back, it won't change the look of the home, but you'll get much more space. You'll also keep the construction costs down, relatively speaking. 348,000. What do you think? Yeah, let's do it. Excellent. I'll get the construction started right away. Everything should be ready for you by tomorrow morning. So exciting indeed. Hell yeah. Right. I was thinking of getting something with my nut miles. Yeah, it's alright. So I'm gonna go and do one of those capping voyages and just see if I can get anything good. Because they're only 1,000 bells, so I can't see the harm in doing one of them. Oh, for now anyway. Right, Captain, I have a proposition for you. I give you bells and you take me on a trip. You ready to take a tour? It'll cost you 1,000 miles. I'm ready to go. That's 1,000 bells then. Did you take Apple Pie? I used that joke the first time I fucking went on a trip. And it doesn't get old. I don't know why it's still a good, it's still a good one. Yeah, I don't care, mate. I don't care. I don't want to listen. Never go and rush things. I won't. Oh. Okay. Well, there is sugarcane. I was about to say bamboo, but it's not. Right. Oh, there's orange windflowers as well. I didn't need to fucking buy them. Oh, gyro fragments. I will take that actually. Right. Where's my ladder? There it is. Right. I want you. And you. And you. And you as well. Right. What about... Oh, and you. Alright, that's a pretty decent amount. Captain, it's time to go. I'm ready to go home. There's no return here later, yep. Got everything that I need. So I'm earning like a decent amount of money. I don't want to listen to your music. I don't want to listen to your music, Captain. Having a good thing, yeah. I don't want to listen to it. Now's not the time. Right. Yeah, so that's... I was wondering why there was just a red pansy by itself, but... I know why. Right. So hopefully... Hopefully this gives me a decent amount. What do you need today? I want to sell. I'm gonna keep the gyroid fragment. Buys 8,400. Okay, fair enough. That's a fair amount of money. I will take it. Right. So this, my neck feels weird. I don't know why. I just don't feel well. I genuinely just feel like shit. I'm gonna explore up here. See if I've got any hybrids. No. Oh. Yeah, there's nothing. Which is... Oh! There's a pink rose. I will take it. Thank you, game. Right. Well, there's nothing there. Is there room for me to put the... No, there's not. Okay. That's fine then. I'm okay with it. I'm really happy with how this looks. I know I need to extend it quite a bit, but at the moment, it's looking alright. I'd just forgotten about something that I did want to do, and I want to catch you. A Raja Brooks Birdwing. Right. Right, where is... So I'm just trying to think, what do I need? Alright, so I need clubs of weed, tree branches, and stone. I think I should have that. Like I should do. Huh. Or actually, no. No. I'm not gonna get that. Because there's a better one that I can choose from. That looks better. Then if you live in the UK, it kind of looks like the fencing that they have on a farm. Kind of. It's not like the usual type, but you'll see it if you go to the countryside or anything. Then you'll know what I mean. Yeah, the stone fence. Now generating a stone fence. Right. Would you like to make another selection? No. I would not. Whittle in a Dow, a recipe for a stone fence. I'm guessing, yeah, I'm just going to need stone for that. Luckily, I have a lot of stone. Like, a lot of it. So, should be all good. Can you tell that I'm fucking tired? I'm always tired though in my videos. Always. You always hear me yawn. Which, I don't know why. Right. Right, I'm going to bring you with me. I'm going to make about 3. That seems fair enough. And then I'm going to leave some room on like the left side, just to like be like, hey, this is a farm. I don't know why I'm going here. So I'm gonna make 30. That should be enough. I hope. I made a stone fence. Right, keep crafting. I made a stone fence. Keep going, game. Keep on going. Right. How much stone do I have left? 12. Okay, so I only went through half of it. That's not bad. And considering I've got way more. Right. So I need to... Yeah, but so this is going to look really good. And I'm happy. Right. Let's keep going. Oh, Bangle. Bangle's working out. Trying to get those +1 biceps. But yeah, I can't wait till it's spring in game. It's going to look really nice. It's going to make the place look 10 times better. Right. I don't know what I'm going to put in that little area there. I'm not sure. Have I got anything to eat? No, I don't. I only have 7 left. Fucking hell. I definitely don't have enough. Oh. Yes. Right. This should hopefully be enough. But I do think I'm going to end the video there, actually, now that I think about it. Because we are running out of time. But fucking... No, not that. Okay, there we go. 4 fucking snowflakes. But yeah, I know obviously I didn't do decorating, but I know I did make a bit of money. Oh, not a bit, quite a lot of money, actually. So I am happy with that, but obviously I do hope you did enjoy the video. And if you did enjoy the video, do consider liking and subscribing. And I shall see you all in the next one.